Prepare cheap, affordable vegetable soup. The one I eat, we are going to eat today. Like, finish it today, pata pata and drop pot. You understand? Preparing vegetable soup. That's vegetable soup, yes, with dry fish. There's no money, so I need a soup to eat today and empty the pot today. So come with me. This is the vegetable. It was my brother that went to the market. He doesn't like stress, so he sliced everything in the market. Put the vegetable, the pumpkin leaf, the water leaf, everything. When I came back, I found out that he sliced it, so I have no option. I have to just take it. When I went to the market myself, could have gotten it fresh like that to slice it and wash it well before slicing. But now he has sliced it, I have no choice. So I have to cook it that way. This is the locust beans ogiri. I'm going to prepare it with. I have to put it. This is the soup. We're going to finish it today. It will not leave today. So there's nothing at home. So I have to just aqua the thing. This is the dry fish. I've washed it with hot water. So I have to put it inside the small meat that we bought, and there, I think there is no meat. No meat. This is the crayfish. He practically did everything in the market. He grinded the crayfish in the market. He sliced the vegetable in the market. He knows I don't like it, but I have no choice. So I have to prepare it like that for them. This is the Maggi, the seasoning cube. I like using no chicken, preferable chicken seasoning. So chicken's flavor. So this is it. I have to put it inside. After adding it, the next is dry pepper. This is dry pepper. I like this dry pepper. I like cooking with it. I don't know about you. So next is another dry pepper, because that one is too small and it will not give me what I want, because there is enough vegetable. Vegetable used to take away all those pepper and stuff like that. So this is the oil. I'm cooking with oil to make it faster. I have to add oil, make everything so that it will be going sharp. So I have to be careful and mindful of salt. This salt will be enough because there's a lot of vegetable. Alright, so this I have to add salt to taste. Time to add the vegetable. I've washed it 3 times so that I can remove all the sand. So this is it. It will sleep down, don't worry. I'm going to take it with fufu, add water to soften it. Then food is ready.